Hello class. In our last class, we discussed about decomposition reaction and its type, and we have seen the examples of different types of decomposition reaction. And in the last, we have mentioned a definition of displacement reaction. So we came to know that a displacement reaction is a reaction in which a more active metals will displace a less reactive metal. That is a displacement reaction, or we can simply call it as a substitution reaction as well. So the general equation of a displacement reaction is represented as A plus BC. So over here what will happen, this B will be removed and it will be replaced by B will be replaced by A, so it will become AC plus B. Now this displacement reaction is based on the reactivity of metals and non-metals, and we have got the activity series of metals which will help us to predict which metals can replace other metals. Okay, we'll study this about this in the later in this chapter. Next, examples. If you want to see the examples of displacement reaction, so if you take iron, which is iron grayish in color, copper sulfate, which is blue in color, aqueous solution, then what will happen, this iron can replace this copper in this copper sulfate solution, and it will form ferrous sulfate plus copper. Now over here the blue color of the copper sulfate solution will becomes pale green color, that means which will be a yellowish in color, and copper will be a reddish brown. So you can see that how the color is changing by the reaction of displacement reaction, we can say. Similarly, chlorine gas displaces bromine from a solution of potassium bromide. If you take chlorine gas and potassium bromide, what chlorine can displace this bromine, so it can form KCl plus bromine, which is a reddish brown in color. And other example of displacement is copper. When reacted with the silver nitrate solution, it can displace this silver by copper. So copper, which is reddish brown in color, and this is a silver nitrate, is colorless. When it reacts, it forms copper nitrate, which is blue in color, and we have got a silver that is silvery, we can say silvery in color. Other examples of displacement reaction is, we can say, when zinc reacts with copper sulfate solution, then zinc can replace this copper and it can form zinc sulfate plus copper. And one more example of displacement reaction is active metals can react with water molecules even in cold solution. Even in cold solution, more active metals like sodium, potassium can displace hydrogen from water. So that means Na plus water will be NaOH plus hydrogen, and K plus H2 will be give you KOH plus hydrogen. So this will again learn in the chapter study of hydrogen when you study the hydrogen preparation. So active metals can react with water to form hydroxide and hydrogen. Similarly, we have left one more example, that was when zinc reacts with HCl, it can form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. This is also a preparation of hydrogen gas.